Hello, good morning, dear Goenkans. Today we are going to discuss the bookwork of the chapter that is The Curse of the Queen and it's page number 102. First of all, we have a question where we have to find the errors in the given sentences and we have to replace the error with an appropriate word. Let's look at the first sentence. It's the Englishmen should have been most careful as they were in a new place. So what's the error there? The Englishmen should have been cautious as they were in a new place. Next one is they didn't have many knowledge of Egyptian civilization. So what's the error there? Many. We don't use the word many with knowledge. Knowledge is an uncountable noun. So we can say they didn't have much knowledge about the Egyptian civilization. Next one is few deaths occurred in the past as compared to the present time. So what's the error there? So we can simply say it this way as few deaths occurred in the ancient time. Next sentence is much of the artifacts in the museum were destroyed. So we don't say much for the artifacts as a countable noun. We can say most of the artifacts in the museum were destroyed. Part E is the people working at the Royal Museum suspected that the sarcophagus and its coin were causing much trouble. So we can say employees, not the people, okay? The employees at the Royal Museum suspected sarcophagus and its coin were causing much trouble. Now the main topic that we have to discuss is today prepositional verbs. So prepositional verbs are a group of multi-word verbs made up from a verb and another words. Usually we have a prepositional verb as verb plus preposition combination, or we can say that preposition always is an object and all prepositional verbs have a direct object. For example, we say he is waiting for good news. Waiting for is the prepositional verb. I believe in God. Believe in is the prepositional verb. You say verb is followed by the preposition. He held back his anger. So held and back. Held is the verb and back is the preposition. So here we say that prepositional verbs are used to express the relationship between the verb and the preposition. Prepositional verbs cannot be separated. We cannot put the direct object between the two parts. For example, we say look after the dog, but we don't say look the dog after. This is completely incorrect. Alright, so we need to place a preposition immediately after the verb. So the third question is based on the same prepositional verbs. Fill in the blanks with the prepositional verbs. You may choose an appropriate preposition from the box. You have the help box as with, up, about, after, out, for, or off, to. So you need to fill up these prepositions to complete the exercise. The dead were prepared for their afterlife by the embalming method of mummification. Slaves and handmaidens were buried along with the coin so that they could attend to the needs. The people at the museum had to hurry up or lose their lives. Exhibits in the room were down destroyed or tossed up by the unseen forces or even feared to clean off the mess. The curse seemed to run after every person who came in contact with. It was difficult to hear with such a terrible happenings. Every person who possessed royal coffin soon made the arrangements to keep out of its reach. Disposing of the royal coffin to some other person or place was not an easy task. So thank you. This was all for today.